The third of 4 games this year between the Stars and Colorado Avalanche comes tonight, but it's the first in Dallas and the first of 2 March meetings at American Airlines Center. It's another busy night in the Wild Card West with the top 4 teams all in action. As play begins this evening, only 3 points separate the Stars and Avs. It's a huge one tonight to the corner. Offensive-minded defenseman. He'll get it back, and a shot deflected by Compher goes wide. Cole slips down the wall. The Stars can't clear the zone. It's Barrie, a shot redirected, and then it's skipped away from Soderberg.
What a great stop. Beautifully read by Bishop. One of the best lines by far in the league this year.
Stars race after it. L'Esperance ran into Johnson. Comes out Cogliano with a shot and right into the glove of Varlamov. Cogliano, a great look in his return.
He'd always play through it and go in. There's no way he was going to play through when Ryan Reeves knocked him out of the game.
Here's Hintz with speed in the circle, and he rung it off the outside of the right post. Hit by Landeskog. Bishop has to scurry back into position as McKinnon gets there quickly. Now back come the Stars, and maybe a 3-on-2, a trailer in Como. Dickinson keeps it in a shot. He was looking 5-hole. It was closed by Varlamov. Slipped it over to Kerfoot. Tried to leave the zone without the puck. Now here come the Avs. It's a drop. Kerfoot walking in and a shot. And that one rolls in behind and on his side. It bounced to Bishop, who had absorbed a little bit of contact and was in the right spot.
He was in a different uniform then.
Part of that 3-team deal in the Matthew Shane, Kyle Turris exchange. Here's a shot. Stop. The rebound is loose. Sagan followed, nudged it free. Couldn't get the second shot away.
A great rush by the Sagan line. He gave it up, drove the net. So did Rope Hintz. Pulled it off the pillow and just about put it home.
Radulov to Ben. Around to Spezza, but a good poke by Cole. Got it over his stick. Stars still keep it low. Ben in front. Shot, score! Alexander Radulov back in the lineup. Back on the board. And the Stars strike first.
And then once Jamie got the puck, he knew what he wanted to do with it. He just threads it through Johnson, the defenseman, whips it onto the stick of Radulov, chips it upstairs on Varlamov, and celebrates. A little muted for him.
And late in the first period, an even strength goal opens the scoring. He drops for Sagan. With speed across the line, pulls a wrister and a pad save Varlamov. Radulov creates a turnover. Down low, spins it in front. Sagan following, stopped! And he couldn't get to his own rebound for the putback.
And they almost make it 2-0.
Quickly to Hintz. Very noticeable opening frame for the rookie. Hintz coming down the near side was stood up. Brassard turns it up ice. Ahead to Jost. Has a cutter. Fed there. Calvert on the doorstep, and it rolled off before he could get the stuff attempt.
That was too easy.
Great opportunity. Couldn't finish. And sends one well wide, and it's Ritchie racing back in. Has help in Green. Fed in front. Lovejoy pushed it on net. Varlamov made the save, and then he covered. Sends a wrister wide. And Agazino up ahead, and now a 2-on-1. Kerfoot with Andrighetto. Kerfoot and the glove of Bishop. Denies Alexander Kerfoot.
I guess. Oh my God, he looked like he knew where he was going to shoot. He made it look so easy. And Kerfoot looks, thinks I can go shelf. And Ben Bishop just stares it right into the Clarino.
McKinnon, rink wide, off the skate, Rantanen. Working 1-on-3, goes wide on Lindell, and then a backhand.
Wow.
And Bishop had to be alert.
This is Glisson.
It intercepted, and now sprung for Wilson. He shot it, Klingberg got back to block it and deflect it wide. Now here come the Stars. Radulov, a trailing Klingberg, gets the puck, shoots, save, rebound, it goes to the corner. And then got past Johnson to center ice. Heavy collision. Rantanen spilled down, as too was McKinnon.
Esa Lindell just flattened him.
Dickinson first on Rantanen, then Lindell on McKinnon. Here's Lindell at the other end, and a shot stop. Rebound swept wide by Nichushkin. And now Ben delivers a check on Cole.
Physicality, Dickinson and Ben and Lindell, who's had a monstrous game already.
Almost halfway through. It feels like the stakes have been raised. In is Radulov. Shot, he scores!
drops anchor, skips it, right wing side to Radulov. That should never go in. You can see Varlamov check his gear after as he felt betrayed. Little Harley kick from Radulov, who's come back into the lineup and stashed a pair.
Now Jost spun and went through the low slot. Nemeth steps down the wall, cuts in behind the net, tried the wraparound, and it rolled through the blue. Barry off the draw, plays it down the wing. Good move by Landeskog, cuts to the inside, and Bishop was there to meet him.
One of their better chances. They're trying to push back a little here.
And then Lovejoy stepped up, Landeskog got it past him. Across where Andrighetto will hold as he crosses the line. Now down low, it's Landeskog, a backhand, what a save! Ben Bishop, left pad robbery in tight on one of the league's best.
Just got beat by the length of Ben Bishop's leg. Tried to pull it against the grain. Never really got much of a chance off of that. Broken play. Stars vacated the front of the net. And he didn't get 5-hole, he didn't elevate, and Ben Bishop spit another one aside.
Couldn't come across cleanly. Dickinson brings it ahead. Across the blue line, and a wrist shot was blocked immediately by Cole. Following in front, there's Ben, he scores! Jamie Benn makes it 3-0 Dallas.
Great play by Jason Dickinson. Primacy on the puck. After his shot bid was blocked, he just shucks the defenseman and feeds Jamie Benn in front, and kabang! 3-0.
Cut off at center. It's all going well for the Stars. Here's Hintz with speed, cuts in a backhand. Varlamov closed it off, then he scrambled back to the circle, and his shot low and wide.
There you go. Pollock folds underneath the Lindell.
Now Radulov with a step, looking for the hat trick, and his wrist shot off the blocker. Off of Rantanen. He carries in across for Comfer, and a shot, and Bishop spotted it late and still got in the way.
Rantanen spun, fed, and it hit Essa right in the tailbone.
And that one skips wide. Then Lovejoy wipes out his man. Radulov sidesteps. Radulov for the hat trick. Yes! Janmark over to Lesperance in front of shot stopped. Rebound. Ritchie on the doorstep. Couldn't stuff it home. Then put it off the outside of the net. 4-0. They shut out the Avalanche.
Well, only one team took their game to a playoff level, and Ben Bishop does something here tonight that he's never ever done. He posts consecutive shutouts. They get great goaltending. They get perfect goaltending tonight. They get a hat trick from one of their prime scorers, and they got an epic checking game from everybody in Victory Green.